Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail you how to remove passcode from iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do to remove passcode from your iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on Face ID and passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode. Then hang on, scroll down the Face ID and passcode page. Locate and click on Turn Passcode Off. Now tap Turn Off. Then you'll be prompted to type in your Apple ID password. Now go ahead and do that. After that, go ahead and click on Turn Off. And then hang on. Once your Apple account password is confirmed, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. Go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. And then, after a couple of seconds, this is going to remove or turn off passcode on your iPhone. Now, when next your iPhone screen lock is dimmed, you no longer be required password to unlock it. And then you are good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.